Hello fly babies, hello lions. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Today is Tuesday, so a short and sweet of it is that we're in zone 5, the living room. It's a free day if you're at home, and don't forget to do your routines. So it's routines first, free day, and then if you're a lion who works or payroll lion, it is also zone 5. Okay, let's talk about the details. Good morning, get up, do your morning routine before the family. It will make you calm and peaceful and centered. And like my previous video on being the lady of the house is in, it will give you a ladyship. You will be the feminine person, yet in control person. And that's what you want. All right, after you've taken care of yourself, you're going to put your family through their routines. Once that happens, then we're going to get on with the next thing. If you're a payroll fly baby or a payroll lion, you're going to go to work empowered, knowing that everything is done in the home. The beds are made, the kids are all complete and at school without forgetting their shoes or their socks or their pencils or their paperwork or their project or their lunch or whatever. It's all taken care of. So you're at work and you're also taken care of. You can enjoy your drive to work because you've got your makeup on and you're together. You are the feminine, in control person, right? So when you get to work, you're going to get out your control journal for work. You're going to say hello to everyone first, get something to drink, go to your desk, and begin your day. On your break or your lunch, you're going, and please take those, you're going to think about how you're going to continue managing your home. So let's think about that on your break real quick. Maybe you could take a little walk on your break. I used to love to do that. Even in a big building, if it was raining or cold, I could walk inside of the building and do a lot of thinking. So that's also a way to relieve stress, and it's a nice way to plan. So remember, you're a delegator and you're the CEO at home. You've got a weekly home blessing hour that may or may not be complete. I'm assuming it probably is not complete by Tuesday of the week if you work full time, but you can delegate one thing. So let's say yesterday you delegated dusting. Today you're going to delegate wiping down the class. It's not hard. It's a 10-minute job at the most, right? All right, so you're going to delegate that, hopefully, or if you can't, you're going to do it when you get home today. The other thing we're going to think about is the living room. That's where we are. If you have clutter in the living room, then when you get home today, you're going to start your dinner. You're going to start your laundry, you're going to go through an inch of paper, then you're going to start your dinner. When your dinner is simmering on the back of the stove or in the crock pot or in the oven cooking, that's when you're going to go do your living room. Possibly you'll have to do that delegation job that I wish you would delegate, but if you don't delegate it, let's say you go wipe the glass down 5 or 10 minutes, and then you work for, depends. If you've got clutter in your living room, it's a 15-minute job plus the after job, which is the completing the process, put away, throw away, give away. But if you don't have any more clutter and you've been on top of it by inspecting what you expect and doing your clutter checks, then you won't have clutter in there and you can just do one little job in there, which could take you 2 minutes to 10 minutes, depending on what your job is. And then go back to dinner, feeling good about that you've done your little thing for the day, and then have dinner with the family. The whole family helps you clean up. Afterwards, everybody starts their before bed routines. If you're tired, do yours first. And that's it. So at home fly babies, what you're going to do, my little lions, you're strengthened and empowered. You're going to, after the morning routines are over, you're going to start your laundry, keeping an ear out for it. You're not going to let it sit all day in the machine turning sour, right? You're going to put it in the dryer, and then when it's through, you're going to fold it and put it away. You're going to go through an inch of your paperwork while the laundry is washing itself, and put your to-dos, your things that require action, from your 1 inch. So we're not going to get a pile of things to do. What do you find in there? Might not be much. You're going to put that in your inbox. And anything that requires filing, which will probably be nothing, or maybe one thing, it won't be a lot, put that in the inbox. And then on Wednesdays, you're going to handle those. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do our weekly plan. Well, our weekly plan for today is free day. So you're not doing zone work today, and you're not doing a weekly thing today. It's your free day. So the only thing you have to do is have dinner tonight and do the cleanup and before bed routine. I want you to find something to do for yourself today. Always, every day, I want you to take time to take care of yourself. But if you haven't, if you have been doing that, that's great. I'd like you to do something today that's more of a pamper, okay? Something that's a little bit more of a pamper. And I don't care if that's just getting in the car and going for a drive. You know, it doesn't matter. Whatever you consider something to pamper you, that's what I want you to do today. I hope you have a fabulous day. Don't forget, after dinner routine, we're all doing together. Before bed routines, everyone's taken care of. Don't forget to check your control journal or your planner to see what's on there for tomorrow. Keep up with that and have a fabulous day. Always remember that you are beautiful.